I'm just gonna videotape this walk. Is that cool?
Yeah.
This is Joplin after the tornado, because we all thought it was funny that the world wasn't gonna end. Oh my God. I unplugged the laptop before we left. Look at that house.
If we don't, that's okay.
You're still here. Coming up on Salvation Army.
I don't know, but there's drinks.
Yeah, there's plenty of beer there.
So what are we on, 26?
Yeah.
Can you get a focus camera? Yeah, this is my car.
Oh my
Oh my God. And luckily my daughter had
Look at that.
I had her
That's a car. That's a dog. Poor dog. There's nothing anywhere. Nothing. Nothing. 26th Street.
Oh, my friend's house. He had dogs. Back. Oh God,
Okay.